Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only was the price movement today very, very solid, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up above this breakout point right here around $2.35. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.35, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength on the bull's part. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture perspective, so this definitely assumes you have a more of a broader time frame of things in terms of what you care about. But that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from assuming, like I said, you care about a big picture and saying, look, Clay, how do I just gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. How do you gauge the health of that? Circles back to that purple line. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the price movement, the bulls are in full health, full control, however you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, if the price could stay up above 235, that would be great. But from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers seem to be hanging out, I'm going to go ahead and split the difference here because, yes, I realize where I'm going to put the red line here. The price has gone above it. But like I said, a couple other times the price didn't even quite hit that high. So right up there about $2.78. Let's just call it $2.80. So $2.80, public enemy number one going forward. But anyway, cut it. Very nice move today. And going forward, really, as long as the price continues to build higher bases, the rest of the chart is going to take care of itself. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Still a couple days left this week. So let's see if bulls can start going through the healthy consolidation and building some higher stair steps. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.